Sorry, it stopped again, guys. Here we go. This is part 4. John is now taking over the camera.
I think it's limited to like a minute.
No, I touched the wrong button. It's me with clumsy fingers. Dad, do you want to come out here and see? You're happy there. Just don't hold on to the rail because it's metal, just in case.
Wow, oh my goodness.
Over the roof is just... look at that.
Look at starburst.
Well, oh my God, you want to see what's coming here? We've got a mixture of sheet and fork at the same time. It's happened twice, it might happen a third time.
What, over this side?
Yeah. There you go. A little bit of sheet, a lot of sheet and a little bit of, and that's SHEET people, with a bit of fork in it as well, which makes it look like some kids scribbled into the sheet lightning.
The good thing with these cameras is although you can't see it,
Come around.
although you can't see it while it's filming that well, when you watch it afterwards you'll be able to see the forks and things really, really well.
I'll show you when it's uploaded, Dad.
Wow.
It's just...
I'm starting to feel a little bit exposed.
It's a good place to be.
I mean, because of the amount.
Do you want me to
And
take
up
it
there.
back again so then you haven't got it in your hand? I've got a bigger heart than you. Well, not a bigger heart, but a stronger one. I'm going to hold on to you, so if I go, we go together. Is that fair?
Or we'll both burn.
We're going to burn anyway, darling. We're priests. Oh! Sorry, it was just like there was like a big arc over there. I'm sorry.
If you want to take it, you can. Otherwise, I've got to stop.
Yeah, that's fine.
It's
Whoa!
this side of the house, Dad.
So this is right
Here
over.
comes the
Here
rain.
comes the rain, so I probably will stop now. Oh, in we go. One more maybe. Give us a big one, thank you. And in we go. See you on YouTube.